post-COVID cognitive complications and your ERISA disability insurance claim. Unfortunately, in the post-COVID world, we are seeing a number of complications involving multiple body systems. One of the most heartbreaking is cognitive issues caused by COVID, including dementia, brain fog, and other cognitive issues. These issues can make you eligible for your disability benefits because they'll cause problems with thinking, concentrating, and remembering, and it's compounded by fatigue issues. COVID-19 causes severe neurological issues and complications. And if you've already had dementia but have been able to work and have post-COVID complications, that can be the tipping point. There can be a progression of dementia after COVID-19. I've represented individuals who had early onset Alzheimer's and other form of dementia and was not quite ready to stop work and apply for benefits. Part of our prep, though, was to have them undergo neurocognitive testing to document the level of cognitive impairment so that as their condition progressed and we became more appropriate to file a claim, we had a baseline so that we could measure the progression of the dementia and its impact on a person's ability to work. That helped us pick the correct date to stop work and apply for benefits. But recently, a small study funded by the National Institute of Neurological Disease and Stroke looked at the cognitive impact of COVID-19 on people who had pre-existing dementia. There were 14 participants in this particular study. 4 had Alzheimer's, 4 had vascular dementia, 3 had Parkinson's disease dementia, and 2 had behavioral variant of a frontotemporal dementia. Now, what was important in this study was that the participants underwent cognitive testing and brain imaging. Interestingly enough, these results were compared with the assessments that had been done prior to their COVID infection. And according to the study, just 1 year after contracting COVID, all the participants experienced a significant increase in progression in fatigue, depression, and cognitive impairment. Their attention became worse, their memory, their speech, their visuospatial capabilities, their executive functioning was all impacted. And there was also an increase in the amount of atrophy found based on the scans. Obviously, the progression of this disease as a result of the complications of COVID is going to impact whether or not a person is going to be eligible for their disability benefits and the date in which we want to claim those benefits. This new study, I think, gives support to claims for a COVID-19 dementia claim. And there is a new term for this. It's called fade memory. And that means fatigue, decreased fluency, attention deficit, and depression, and executive dysfunction. I think this characterizes the progression of dementia that certainly I'm seeing in some of my clients and is helping us with perfecting a disability claim. If you have any questions about post-COVID progression and your rights to ERISA disability benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the benefits you deserve.